What is data governance and why is it important?
Data governance involves the overall management of the availability, usability, integrity, and security of data used in an organization. It's important because it ensures data is accurate, consistent, and used appropriately, supporting compliance with laws and regulations.
Describe the role of data scientists in ethical data use.
Data scientists play a crucial role in ethical data use by implementing practices that ensure data is collected, stored, analyzed, and shared responsibly, respecting privacy and minimizing biases.
What are engagement and analysis activities in assessing data?
Engagement and analysis activities refer to the methods used to interact with stakeholders and analyze data to derive meaningful insights, including workshops, focus groups, and statistical analyses.
Explain the concept of predictive modeling in data science.
Predictive modeling is the process of using statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data, helping in decision-making processes.
What are exploratory surveys and their applications in data science?
Exploratory surveys are used to gather broad insights about populations or phenomena, often employed in the early stages of research to shape further studies and hypothesis generation.
How does one utilize XML in data projects effectively?
Effectively utilizing XML in data projects involves structuring data consistently, using schema for validation, and employing parsers to integrate XML data with applications for seamless data exchange and manipulation.
What are the basic programming concepts one should know in R?
Basic programming concepts in R include understanding data types, variables, functions, conditionals, loops, and how to manipulate data structures like vectors, lists, and data frames.
What is the difference between a matrix and an array in R?
The main difference is that matrices are strictly two-dimensional, while arrays can have any number of dimensions, providing more flexibility in handling multidimensional data.
How is statistical analysis conducted in R?
Statistical analysis in R involves using built-in functions and packages to perform descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, regression analysis, and more, often starting with data manipulation and ending with result interpretation.
What are some best practices for data visualization in R using GPLO2?
Best practices include choosing appropriate visual representations for the data, using consistent and clear labeling, employing an aesthetic that enhances understanding, and tailoring the visualization to the audience's needs.